Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are turning simple ice cream stick into a beautiful Christmas decoration. Creative, budget friendly and full of festive spirit. Whether you have leftover pop sticks at home or you buy them for a craft store, these teeny wooden pieces can become stars, trees, snowflakes and all made with love and imagination. So get ready with your ice cream sticks, glue, colors and glitters, and let's begin our magical Christmas crafting journey. First, let's prepare our material. You will need ice cream sticks or popsicle sticks, acrylic paint or poster color, glue or hot glue gun, glitter, beads, ribbons and button for decoration. Start by painting the sticks in festive color like red, green, white and gold. Let's make dry completely before moving to the next step. This will give you craft smooth and bright finish that stand out beautifully in Christmas lighting. Now let's make a mini Christmas tree using ice cream sticks. Take 3 sticks from triangle shape and glue the ends together. Once dry, you can decorate the triangle with small beads, skeins, stars and glitters dots. Add a small brown stick at the bottom as the tree trunk. Then place a teeny star or ribbon bow at the top of festive touch. You can hang it on your Christmas tree, paste it on cards or make the part of wall hanging decoration. Now let's create a snowflake. It's one of the easiest and prettiest design. Take our sticks and glue them together in scissor pattern like a plus sign. Then add our smaller sticks diagonally between each gap. Now paint the whole snowflakes white or silver and sprinkle some silver glitter before it dries. When the glue set, your sparkling snowflake is ready. Hang it on a window walls or even your Christmas tree to create a frosty wintry atmosphere inside your home. Now let's make something super cute decoration. You will need 3 sticks glue to stick in a V shape for the face. Glue the third stick across the top like triangle and googly eyes and red pom pom for the nose and draw a sweet little smile. For answers you can use strings, brown paper or pipe cleaner. Attach a ribbon at the top and hang it. The craft is perfect for kids and gives a fun playful look to your decoration. You can also use ice cream sticks to make photo frames, house stars, gift shapes or mini sign with Christmas message like joy, peace or Merry Christmas. Write these words using a marker or glitter pen and decorate them with teeny embellishment. Hang them on your walls, doors or Christmas tree for a cozy handmade touch. You can make a beautiful small houses with Christmas touch. Christmas traditional color green, red and white. If you love rustic farmhouse style, leave some sticks unpainted and just add burlap, pine cones or geotin for a natural Christmas look. They are simple, beautifully and made with love. The perfect DIY to do with family, with friends and the holiday season. Crafting like this not only decorations your home but also brings peace, mindfulness and joy to your heart. You can also make amazing and beautiful crafting by ice cream stick, making star, Christmas tree, Christmas home, Christmas stairs, Christmas animated cartoons. So if you like the video, please must subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for more updates and amazing DIY crafting with reusable material, recycled material and many other of crafting ideas design. If you like crafting, so you are in right place. Visit my channel There is lots of amazing and beautiful handmade crafting